Hello and welcome. I'm Granville G, your entrepreneur, natural health consultant, and your guide to holistic living. On this channel, we'll dive into understanding the human body, natural healing, and how you can take charge of your health and longevity. If you care about living well and staying well, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Looking at the factor of blood viscosity and its impact on cardiovascular health. Now, blood viscosity is the thickness and thickness of blood, and it is a direct measure of the resistance of blood to flow through its vessels. It can also be seen as the internal friction among blood molecules during flow. The viscosity of the blood usually is increased by the temperature of the person, environment, and the stress level. Continuous stress will usually maintain these conditions and adversely affects the person's health. Now, diets can also contribute to high blood viscosity. Diets like fats, high cholesterol diet, refined carbohydrate foods, excessive amounts of animal protein like red meat. Now, usually removing this food from your diet enables the blood to clear in days, thereby normalizing the blood viscosity and normalizing the blood flow. Now, if the blood viscosity factor is maintained for a period of time, this indication is mostly known as hyperviscosity syndrome. Now, a group of symptoms will be triggered by an increase in the viscosity of the blood over a period of time, which include spontaneous bleeding from the mucous membrane, visual disturbance due to retinopathy, and neurological symptoms ranging from headaches and vertigo to seizures and coma. Patients with high blood viscosity are prone to have cardiovascular accidents such as strokes, coronary heart disease, and myocardial infarctions. These conditions are mostly life-threatening, but if diagnosed in time, can save life. Sincerely, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights and natural wellness tips. Remember, healing the world starts with one person at a time. Stay connected, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.